Welcome to an easy guide on unlocking WhatsApp on your PC with the latest update. If you've ever been locked out or just want a smoother sign in, this short walkthrough will get you back on track in minutes. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. If you're using the desktop app, launch it from your start menu or taskbar. If you prefer the web experience, navigate to WhatsApp Web in your browser and scan the QR code with your phone to link the accounts. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in the exact password you use for your WhatsApp account. This step adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only you can access your chats from the computer. Take a moment to check that the keyboard language and caps lock aren't causing any accidental errors. After entering the password, look for the unlock button on the screen. It's typically placed near the password field or within the on-screen prompt. Click unlock to proceed. This action confirms your identity and grants access to your messages on the PC. If the unlock option isn't immediately visible, try refreshing the app window or ensuring you're connected to the internet. A quick restart of the desktop app can also push the update's unlock workflow back into view. If you encounter a persistent issue, confirming that you're using the latest WhatsApp version on both your phone and computer helps prevent compatibility hiccups. A smooth unlock relies on two things: a valid password and an active, stable connection. Keep your phone nearby in case the app requests a fresh authentication, and make sure the phone remains connected to the internet so the desktop session stays synced. With the update in place, you'll notice a cleaner flow, quick access, stronger security, and less friction when you switch between devices. This means you can jump into chats faster, share files more easily, and stay in touch without juggling multiple apps. If you're upgrading from an older method, you'll appreciate how the new steps reduce confusion. The process is straightforward. Open WhatsApp on your PC, enter your password, and click unlock. Simple, secure, and designed to keep your conversations within reach.